Welcome! Over the next few minutes, you will be introduced to a platform that is completely changing the way people earn income online. Imagine for a second working with a company that can never go out of business, will never miss a commission, will never change the compensation plan. A company that is available in every country in the world and is affordable to everyone. Most importantly, it is 100% decentralized. It sounds hard to believe, doesn't it? Well, it's not. Welcome to LionShare, a state-of-the-art company that was built on an Ethereum smart contract located directly on the blockchain. Now, for many of you, the term smart contract or even blockchain really doesn't mean much to you. If you stick with me for the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you exactly why this is so important. Also, I'm going to show you how you can earn Ethereum daily and instantly. So, what is a smart contract and why is it important? If it's okay with you, I'm going to explain this in simple terms. Basically, a smart contract is programming code that is self-operating. It is placed directly on the blockchain. It can never be hacked or stopped. Once it is deployed on the blockchain, it cannot be changed. This means it does not require an admin or a company to facilitate the contract. The company can run on its own and do exactly what the contract says to do. This is great news for you. So, why is this important? Let me ask you a question. How many times have you been part of a company that missed a commission payment? Or maybe they changed a compensation plan and took money directly from your pocket? Or maybe they just disappeared, leaving you completely empty-handed. Well, if you are looking for a business that is 100% decentralized, does not store any of your personal information or wallet addresses, pays Ethereum daily and instantly to your wallet, cannot ever be changed or manipulated by an admin or company owner, then it's time for you to get your LionShare. LionShare offers a dynamic peer-to-peer platform where 100% of the profits goes directly and instantly to the member. LionShare developed a powerful matrix system that was developed on the blockchain using smart contract technology. This means it's impossible for the admin or company to change the contract. You can get started today with the LionShare project for as little as 0.04 Ethereum. However, your earning potential is unlimited. In fact, with the LionShare Matrix, you have the ability to earn without referring anyone with our lucrative spillover plan. Now it's time to introduce you to a simple compensation plan that will change the lives of people all around the globe. Here's how it works. LionShare offers two platforms with over 30 ways to earn income from. Starting with our L1 Matrix. On the L1 Matrix, there are 3 lines directly below you. On the L2 Matrix, there are 2 lines below you. The first line has 2 spots, and the second line has 4 spots. When you get started with LionShare, you simultaneously activate the L1 and L2 for only 0.04 Ethereum. Both the L1 and L2 each have 16 different packages you can participate in. Once you activate a package, you can continue to earn from that package over and over and never have to purchase it again. Here's a closer look at how it works. The L1 has you at the top, and then 3 spots directly under it. You will receive payments directly and instantly on the first 2 sales. The third sale goes directly to your upline and is used to reopen your matrix, allowing you to continue to earn. The L2 has you at the top, and then 2 people on the first line and 4 people on the second line. The commissions for the first 2 spots go directly to your upline. The second line is where you start to earn. You will receive 100% of commissions for spots 3, 4, and 5. Commissions for spot 6 will be sent directly to your upline and will reopen Matrix. This allows you to continue to earn on this level as many times as you would like. There is a huge incentive for you to upgrade to the higher packages if you choose to. If sales occur on any of the packages you don't own, it will be passed up to your upline or the next person who owns that package. Upgrading is totally optional, but as you can see, financially it makes sense to upgrade when you can. You can only earn commissions on packages you are active in. So you may be asking, how many packages can you get started with? You can start with as many as you want. The choice is yours. If you want the opportunity to earn more, you will want to activate as many packages as possible. We recommend starting with at least 3 packages on both the L1 and L2 platforms. However, the choice is yours. Just like with any legitimate business, Lionshare has created a rewarding compensation plan for those who put in the effort. There is no guarantee of earnings without effort. So, if you would like to see Ethereum hitting your wallet daily and instantly, then you have to put in the effort. At Lionshare, you will be in the business for yourself, but definitely not by yourself. We give our members the tools and training they need to grow their business effectively. We are creating a community of like-minded entrepreneurs that are capitalizing on the growth of Ethereum. You may not know this, but Ethereum is the largest cryptocurrency in the world behind Bitcoin. It also has the largest amount of developers and programmers working with it. The top analysts in the world are predicting Ethereum will multiply several times over the next 2 years. Won't it be great for you to have your lion's share for you and your family? Now is the time for you to start earning Ethereum daily. With the Lionshare platform, you can remove the risk associated with other companies. You never have to worry if you are going to receive your commission or if the company is going to last. Since we have built this amazing platform on smart contract technology and placed it directly on the blockchain, it can never be hacked or changed, giving you the peace of mind to go all in for you and your family. Getting started is easy. First, you should download a Trust wallet directly to your phone, or you can set up a MetaMask wallet for completely free on your computer. MetaMask is offered as an extension on Chrome. We encourage you to contact your sponsor to walk you through this. Don't waste another second watching others earn for their families while you sit by and watch. Get started today and come and get your lion's share.